But now, will the Apple MagSafe battery pack work with it as well? I bet it will, but we can try it out. So let's just slap this on right here, and boom, the dynamic island up here expands and it is charging. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, cases, tech accessories, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is the OtterBox Defender Pro XT case with MagSafe for none other than my iPhone 14 Pro Max right here. So before we start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending me this case out for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, OtterBox. But anyway, folks, without further ado, let's start getting this out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box, which as you can tell is the normal box design, unlike those recycled boxes for the OtterBox cases I already unboxed on the channel. You know I didn't like that design, so this is much better packaging design here, OtterBox. Good job. As you can see, it says OtterBox Defender Pro XT. Got a big cutout so you can actually see and touch the case itself. 5 times drop tested by military standard, and it is for, this is kind of funny, the iPhone 2022 Extra Large Pro, which in other words, that's the iPhone 14 Pro Max. They should have just put that on there, but all good, all good. And it says it's for MagSafe. It's got built-in magnets, 5G compatible. Over here on the back, it talks about how, once again, it works with MagSafe. It's made with more than 50% recycled plastic. Port covers block the dust and dirt. And lastly, can't forget, it's got lasting antimicrobial properties. So anyway, let's just open this up and see what this case is all about. And we can slide it up. Here's the case itself. We've got the box right here. Pull the case out and we can put it down. And also in here with the paperwork, if you want a holster, a belt clip for this case, unfortunately it does not come with one, but you can actually get one for free with this promo code. You just have to pay shipping and handling, so that's nice right there. I would personally just include it in the box, but anyway, let's put my phone in this case. So now, first step of doing that, you're going to want to peel this inner plastic shell out of the case right here, and then once that piece is out, you can go ahead and just pop the iPhone right into the case like this, nice and easy, and then you can come right here and pop the plastic shell back into the case. So you really kind of got to force this plastic piece right here back into the rubbery outer material. And I actually had to turn my phone off right here because it was really bothering me. You know, the screen was moving around as I try to shove this in a lot. So yeah, this is definitely a hard case to put on your phone. So if you're someone who wants to take off your case and put it back on constantly, this might not be for you because this is definitely taking me quite a bit of effort. But now, folks, almost done. It looks like I just got to seal this top part right here. Let's see if we can go ahead and do that. And voila, folks, I finally did it. Now that was hard. I've got the OtterBox Defender Pro XT right here, all nice and on my iPhone. And I will say, once the installation process is done, this looks like a pretty nice case. Definitely looks sturdy, but it also is really slim. So over here in the back, OtterBox logo, and also, you know, these big, mean rubberized sides right here. And I say big, but they are still slim. Over on this side, we've got the power buttons right here. We've got a cutout for the mute switch. Let's see. It's kind of deep in there, so you gotta, try a bit to get at it, but okay, it's kind of fine. Maybe a bit hard. Over here on the side, we've got a side button as well if we want to put the always on display, I guess, on right there, right? Because this is the 14 Pro Max. Over on the bottom, we got cutouts for the speaker grills, and we've got a flap protecting the lightning port right there. And over here on the back, also, we of course have that huge cutout for the big cameras on the 14 Pro Max and a raised lip, it looks like, around them right there, as well as a raised lip around the front of the screen. So in theory, if you put your phone down on a flat surface with this case on, the surface should not be touching the screen, which is definitely good because you want to protect that giant, beautiful 6.7-inch always on display on this device. But now, folks, let's actually test out the MagSafe on this case. So I've got my Apple MagSafe charging puck right here, and let's plop the case down and see what happens. Boom, it magnetically clips on and starts charging, so that's good. That works just as expected. But now, will the Apple MagSafe battery pack work with it as well? I bet it will, but we can try it out. So let's just slap this on right here, and boom, the dynamic island up here expands and it is charging. So that is pretty cool right there. And yeah, I feel like the black of the case with the white of the MagSafe battery pack and then the purple of the 14 Pro Max, that is just a cool and mean color combo right there. Another thing I will point out about this case actually is it is pretty grippy, because over on the sides, it's got these textured sides right here and also over here as well. And wow, OtterBox logo, I didn't even notice that earlier. But because of that, it definitely feels grippy in the hand in tandem with that slimness. So yeah, I think this is a pretty cool case if you can get over the hard installation process. But anyway, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say right here about this OtterBox Defender Pro XT case for none other than my beautiful iPhone 14 Pro Max. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you are interested in picking up this case for yourself, it will set you back about $70, so it is on the more expensive side. But if you are shopping around for iPhone 14 Pro Max cases, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different iPhone 14 Pro Max cases that I've featured on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description, so be sure to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.